Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna take care on the grill. Yeah, like you have seen in some of, I think a couple episodes back when I made my own Audi badge. Yeah, I have a new grill RS6 look like, and yeah, so today I'm gonna take the bumper off and I'm gonna change the grill. I can pull it off like this. The grill. Yeah, so I removed the grill. So, but the other grill is screwed from the back, like in this holes. So I have to go and get the bumper off and screw the new grill on in place, and then we're gonna see us again. Alright buddies, so the grill is in. Yeah, so the Audi badge, what I made by myself, it looks awesome. Yeah, and it's really tight on there. That's good. Yeah, the difference between this and the other grill is, yeah, for sure the look, and this one is the screwed in version. I can also screw in the old one, but the old one was with clips in at the sides. Yeah, but yeah, that's the only difference. This one is a little bit more in than the other one. The other one was a little bit more out, but it doesn't matter to me. And yeah, I think it looks awesome, also with the quattro emblem down here. Yeah, the tag on here with the really small, nearly invisible tag holder. Yeah, I think that's a really good look, and I've already tinted the fog lights a little bit. Yeah, like we have done it with the tail lights in the last video. And yeah, I would say we're going a little grill porn right here, and then we're gonna see us next week.
I live a picture in my head, colors soaring as I float above my body in my bed, yeah. And I wonder if I'm dead, saw the white light flicker, so I wake up in a sweat, cold red. Sirens going off about something that I dreamt, thinking about the shit I never told you that I meant. I can't shake it off.